everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the 31 days of Halloween and I'm your resident Hallow mother freaking queen. Today we are going to be making this beautiful look. It's like a fancy Joker e-girl, like an e-girl but like make it Joker. So strap in. Are you done? Are you done coughing? Strap in, grab a snack, grab a friend, that's it. Grab a snack, grab a friend, let's get going. It's Joker time. Today I'm going to be doing foundation not so normally. I'm going to be taking my fish foundation brush, my LA Girl Pro Matte in the color Natural, but I'm mixing in some white body paint to make everything a little bit whiter but keep human skin tone. Now I'm taking my beauty blender brush sponge and just making everything flawless. Now I'm going into the Remember Me palette. I'm using the shade in the pink, and that is going to be a transition shade, so I'm doing that all over the top of the lid and under the lid. Now I'm telling my husband something. Now I'm going into the shade Coquette, and I'm putting that in just a little bit lower, but keeping it still pretty high up on the lid. Blendy, blendy, blendy. Snack time! Alright, now I'm going into the shade Amethyst, and that's going to go up on the crease a little bit, but mostly just covering the lid. And this is going to be very, very blendy blend. And now I'm taking Amethyst on the bottom, under my eye as well, and smoking it out. Now I'm going into my Floral and Bloom Highlight and Contour Palette, and I'm contouring my face per usual with a big fat fluffy brush. Now I'm going into the blush palette, and I'm going to be putting that all over my nose and on my cheeks, face, all over my face. This is just going all over my face. Now I'm going into this deeper pink and deepening everything up. Now I'm going into the top left of the highlight and contour palette and highlighting the heck out of my face. Now I'm using my finger, drawing an exclamation point, and then blending that in. Apparently there was some good music. Take a red liquid lip. I'm going to wipe off my lip before I apply lipstick, but apply lipstick. I'm doing kind of a little bit of a smile here. So basically, I'm just gonna let you know beforehand. I tried a couple different lip things and they didn't work out. So you're gonna just watch me struggle to find the right lip shape, and I didn't cry, so that's a plus. thought this would look really cool, and to be fair, it did. It looked cool. So we're gonna move on. Now I'm taking a red-brown shade and adding a little bit of definition and a little bit of just, you know, spice into that look that we're gonna wipe off in about 2 minutes. Now taking my favorite eyeliner, I'm going to be writing the ha ha ha, like the classic Joker ha ha ha, and a little J, and I did it backwards because I thought it would be backwards, but it's still backwards, so I just fail everything. I didn't write the ha 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 backwards, so whatever. Now taking green body paint, I'm gonna do green eyebrows because the Joker has green hair. Well, this Joker does. Now I'm just using my fish brush with extra foundation to clean up a little mistake. I did not like that, how much that was, with how it didn't balance between the top and the bottom of the face, so I'm wiping off all that excess. I'm not trying to be too careful because I know I'm still gonna smudge it out, but I'm just gonna reapply some foundation, kind of hide what I did. I think this is a great lesson that even everyone kind of just messes up on makeup, and sometimes you have to take it off and start over. So now I'm just doing that blown out look, but keeping it very close to the mouth, making it look pretty messy, but not crazy. Now I'm going to be creating a scar on my face because Batman just cut a beach. So I'm going to take the color Lovesick and create 2 triangles. It kind of looks like a clown. And then I'm just adding a little bit of definition to my lip. Now I'm taking that liquid lip and creating a scar. Now I'm going to take that red brown and add a little bit of definition. Now going into mascara, I'm using that and adding a little bit of darkness and blackness and roughness so that it looks more like dried blood. And then I'm just gonna go on top of that with red liquid lip to blend it all in. Back into the Remember Me palette, I'm going into the shade Noir. I really didn't love that the purple wasn't like poppy enough, so I wanted to give myself a really messy eyeliner situation. Now I'm just blending that in with a big fluffy brush. Now mascara, setting spray, and now I'm going to make my hair green. So I'm mixing gel with green body paint, the same that I use on my eyebrows, and I'm just working that into my hair. I'm gonna comb it out to distribute it. Add a little bit more, and then tie my hair back up. And then give it a little tousle because the Joker's gross. And there you have it, folks. You the Joker. All right, there you have it. The Joker. Now, go out and scare some people and make some jokes, but don't like blow up a hospital or steal millions of dollars or anything like that. Just like have fun. But responsibly. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't already, please make sure to go subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below what you're gonna be for Halloween. And please follow us on please follow us on all of our other social medias. You can hit us in the links below. We're breemaquillage on basically everything. Instagram just has one extra E. We're on TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everything. So we would love to have you part of the fam. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you do this. If you do this look, if you do this look, please tag me so I can see your beautiful work. All right. Thank you so much. Bye.
Perfect.
I should chew this before I can do my outro.